Hi, good evening to you all. Hope all of you are preparing well for upcoming campus recruitment drives. As you all know, IBM is conducting exclusive women's drive. The test will be on 18th July. The test is known as a cognitive test. And FactSet is conducting the test on 22nd July. And you know about TCS Digital, Infosys SESSP, and CTS is also conducting Gen Z Next Drive in first week of August. I want to elaborate a little bit on all these things. IBM it is conducting this drive for women candidates only, and we circulated the eligibility list. And cognitive test will be on 18th July, so prepare well. And then programming test will be there for further selection. FactSet test will be there on 22nd. The package is 8 lakhs, and you know the model and everything. If you want model, the training and placement team circulate the model to you. Comes to the important drives, TCS Digital 7th and 8th of August. What we are doing for TCS Digital test? Number one, we are organizing a FACE digital program for 270 students approximately. The training program is ending with 18th July. After that, FACE is giving some login credentials to you. You can practice up to 7th August. They are going to give you very important material. I request you all, please allot certain time and practice in the FACE, particularly the 270 students, this FACE online portal. It will be helpful to you a lot. And in addition to that, we want to conduct the assessments. Assessments we want to conduct from 19th July. One day we want to conduct on quant, logic and verbal. One day we want to conduct on coding. And we are also planning with some internal faculty the discussion on the coding assessments, whatever we are conducting to you. This is open for everyone, right? So all 900 eligible students, you can use this particular opportunity, write the assessments frequently, and coding assessments we want to open it for 6 hours. And next day, if you have any doubts, you can come, and certain faculty will be there to give some guidance to you, right? And comes to the further planning related to the TCS Digital. We want to conduct the mock interviews because we don't know immediately after the test they may call for all test selects to the interview. Therefore, what we are planning, we want to conduct the mock interviews. Before mock interviews, 19th July, we want to conduct the resume building workshop. So resume building workshop will be by Vaishnavi Madam of Indian School of Business. She will conduct the workshop. Immediately, we request you all to prepare your resume and send it to the training and placement team before 23rd July. 31st July and 1st August, we want to conduct the mock interviews with industry experts. So it is almost like a simulation. So the same thing we want to repeat it. Whatever real interview, whatever way the real interview will be conducted, the same way we want to conduct these mock interviews. So whomsoever is absent for this mock interviews, we will take a serious disciplinary action on the students, right? Because this is very important in test conversion to interviews, interview conversion to final offers. And 300 students registered for GeekL digital projects. From 19th July, from 12 to 1 o'clock, every day the GeekL team conducts the classes for these 300 registered students for digital projects. We want to take this digital projects up to certain level before you face the interview. And comes to the other step, what we are planning to do is, particularly this is for Infosys, SES and SP. We requested EDIST. Around 341 students paid for EDIST program. Around 190 students are very active or proactive. Remaining students are not active, but all 341 students, particularly from 19th July, every evening 6 to 8 o'clock, EDIST will conduct the classes and assessments related to SES and SP model of Infosys. So the students who are eligible for SES and SP, who are registered for EDIST, please utilize this opportunity. EDIST team is absolutely preparing very well for this particular training program in respect of SES and SP of Infosys. And comes to the CTS Gen C Next, I request you all, please start preparing at least 1.5 hour the previous models of CTS Gen C Next. CTS Gen C Next will be there around August first week, maybe take a window of 6th August to 11th August. During that period, Gen C Next drive will be there from CTS. So all these are all wonderful opportunities to you, because all these are all going to give you more than 6.5 lakhs offer, and all the companies are coming and conducting the drives, means they want to take the creamy students in the first slot. Therefore, my sincere request to all 2022 graduating batch, please utilize this opportunity. Next 20-25 days is very important. Maybe after 3-4 days I'll come and share with you regarding Wipro also. Wipro wants to conduct the total process of recruitment in the September 1st week, including Turbo and also Elite and Talent Next. So the companies are in queue. They want to take you, but the important thing is you must prepare well. So whomsoever is not preparing till now, at least start preparing from now onwards. Whomsoever is preparing well, put some more extra hours practice, definitely it will give you a very good offer, and you may be incorporate with very good packages. I wish you all the best, and if any information is there, we will share through messages and mails. I request you all to please all to utilize this opportunity, and I want you should raise the flag of GVP very high, and I want to see all of you in all these corporates with high packages. All the best. I pray Almighty to shower all His blessings on all of you. Thank you very much.